Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing and it's a car. It's a 4-wheel drive vehicle. It says on the Amazon website SGILE 1 in 14 RC cars with 2 batteries, 4-wheel drive, 2.4 GHz 4x4 crawlers. It says crawlers, I think they mean crawler. Off-road vehicle for kids, adult, hobby toy, and it says it's black. So I bought this to show my grandson because my grandson loves me playing with my drones. So whenever he's around here, I had to get my drones out. Can't get my big one out because he likes me to fly my little ones inside the house, which I do. And we had a chat and we thought, oh, we'll get one a remote control car because I haven't got any remote control car. Years ago I used to have one. I used to have a couple, but I haven't got any now. And I've never done any videos on them. Because that's before I started making my videos. So yeah, so we had a look online and we found this one for $24.99. Thought it was a good price, nice and cheap. You know, get back into RC cars as well as doing other things. And you know how much I enjoy doing the unboxings anyway. So with that, shall we do the unboxing? So yeah, so I ordered this. I think it took about a day to turn up. Oh, by the way, I got a new knife. It's about time. I keep saying I'm going to get a knife or a new knife, and finally I've got a knife because my other one just wore it out. So as always, nicely packaged by Amazon. I'm assuming it's Amazon that's done the packaging. Yeah, oh, the box doesn't look too bad neither. Get it out. So that's the Amazon box out of the way. So it's got to be done by Amazon. It's Amazon box, isn't it? So it comes with a little handle. Let's have a quick look around it. So it says rock climber, 2.4 gig 4-wheel drive off alloy road vehicle. Alloy? Okay, that's what it says. Climbing car, so it should be able to go rough terrain. So I want to try it out in my garden. Hopefully it'll be alright. So yeah, it's nicely displayed on the packaging. Oh, it's even got stuff on the bottom. Non-rechargeable battery cannot be recharged. Well, obviously, so but that's a good warning. Do not use different types of batteries. Well, hopefully we're only going to use the batteries that come with it. So this just basically a warning. It says about the charger, recharge your batteries, blah blah blah. Normal warning sort of stuff there. See that? Yeah, see that? Okay, right. Yeah, it looks very nice. So let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, there's a little leaflet in there. Box. So you've got SGILE, and I'm still, you know, I don't know if I pronounce it right, but that's what I'm calling it. Rock climbing instructions manual. Thoroughly read the instructions manual before assembly. Retain instructions manual for future reference. What it says on there. A quick little leaf, some nice diagrams in there, which is always handy, especially if you don't want to bother about reading it. It says 2 times 1.5 volt or AA batteries required, which I thought it was, you know, I thought actually it might be 3 batteries, but it says 2, and then it basically gives you all the instructions of how to do it. So there you go. So I just wanted to show you that. Obviously I'll have a read the instructions later. So first impressions. Oh look, there's loads of stuff underneath. That's really good. So nicely packaged. The outside box I thought looked really nice. Not the Amazon one. The box for this. So yeah, it looks pretty good. I'll take it out the packaging, or take all the packaging out, lay it all out so you can have a proper look, because it looks like it might take me a few minutes to cut everything out. So anyway, so that's how it comes. This was off, wasn't set on, so looking at it, it's universal. I didn't realise that, so it's even better. So if you're left or right-handed, you can have it there, or swap it over. You can have it on that side. So that's really handy. Wasn't expecting that. I'll have it like that, because I'm right-handed, so I prefer that like that. Put that in there, and then on here you've got the controls. So the top button is your demo mode, and then the bottom button is your end of demo mode. I'm not sure what the demo mode does, so that'd be interesting to find out. And then obviously you got your on-off switch there, and this is your backwards and forward button, or lever I should say, not button. So that adjusts your speed. So you just stick your finger in there and, you know, move it up and down. It feels quite easy to do. And this here is obviously your left and your right, which is quite easy. Can you hear it click? It should do exactly the same that side. Yeah. So that's handy because although it could fall out, so you've got to be a little bit careful. Or I just didn't, oh no, I didn't push it in far enough, so there you go. So that was me. Oh, it's in quite nice, you know. So yeah, that's better. So you just got to give it a bit of a push. And then these are your batteries. So they're 4.8 volts, 700 milliamps, A4, and you get 2 of them. Like I say, they will take a bit of time to charge up, so we'll have to charge them up straight away so I can try them out. They will come with a little bit of charge, I would have thought, because obviously I need to test the battery, so to make sure they work. And then you have your USB. So obviously your USB charger there. It looks probably about 1 metre cable long, I'm guessing. I'll tell you what, I'll undo it and we'll find out right now. Do we want to see how long it is? So, oh, probably 700 mil, I reckon. I guess. I'll stick it up. I'll put the sizes in for you so you know in a minute. So yeah, so that's your USB charger, your 2 batteries, your controller, and then the beast itself, which I think looks quite nice. It was the one I've got was a black one, and I think that was the only colour they'd done. So it's A1 joint refit G something blah blah blah. Monster climbing car. That's what it says. Nice big wheels on it. See that? And it's got a nice bit of squishiness on it as well. Good springs. Yeah, see that? It looks alright. Like I say, I'm looking forward to trying it out. It looks quite good. And I think it'll go over most of my terrain. So it's quite springy, yeah. For £25, Jesus, I think it's really good. At the moment, I mean, obviously I haven't tested it. It's not going to have a great bit of turning circle on it, I would have thought. But it should be good enough. It's good enough for me. But what we do now is, I'll charge up the batteries, and depending on the weather, I'll either do it inside or do it outside. I'm looking forward to trying it outside really, rather than inside. So that's what we'll do. So it'll take a few hours. So if you want to hang about, no, I'm just joking. I'll charge up the batteries and then we'll start doing a video on it driving about. So with that, let's get on with it. So it's on auto demo mode, as you can see, driving about. I'm not controlling it at all. Just show you. See, look. I think it's quite good actually. As you can see, my grass is a bit lumpy and a bit overgrown. It's still winter at the moment, and this little thing can go over it quite easily, even in demo mode. That's me doing it now, so I'm bringing it backwards. Oh yeah, I mean it's not going to be super fast. It says it does about 10 kilometers an hour, I think. But yeah, it's doing that graph brilliantly, no problems. Send it down now. Whee! Come on. I think my grandchild's going to love it. He's only 3, so I'll have to make sure that I play with it, just for his own safety, of course. So with that, we'll go back inside. Do I think it's worth the money? It gets my thumbs up, definitely. For £25, I think it's very good value for money. The suspension's pretty good, and as you can see from the video, it drove over all that rough terrain in the grass and that, and my God, it is quite rough out there at the moment. And you get an extra battery as well. I've already got one installed, and comes with a spare one, so it's always brilliant. You can just swap them over. I know at the beginning of the video it said it takes up to 5 hours to charge, but it only took me about an hour, so whether it's because it's already partially charged, I don't know. But yeah, just over, I think it was about an hour, maybe a bit more. So yeah, you know, it's not going to be a high quality product, it's not going to feel like a high quality product, but it does everything you want it to do. And for £25, I think it's well worth the money. And if the company's name is SGILE, I think that's how you pronounce it, or SGILE, something like that, or SGILE. So yeah, £25, unbelievable, good value for money. Yeah, if you're serious about RC cars, then you shouldn't be buying it. This is purely a toy for, you know, you and your children to play with. So yeah, gets my thumbs up, definitely.